Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to Last Call. I finally made it back to Las Vegas. It's been probably 3 or 4 months since I've been out here. I took a Mexico City trip, Rosarito, Mexico, but I haven't been out here in a while. So I'm excited to be here. I'm actually pretty stoked to be here. That TV just turned on by itself. Wow. Let me get that turned off. That's weird. Alright, anyway. So yeah, I'm at the Palms basically. I got a comped room here. It basically was just bought out by a Southern California Indian company, Indian reservation. So yeah, I'm here. I'm ecstatic to be here. It's actually a really nice room. Let me flip the camera and I'll show you guys around. So yeah, this is Palms Hotel, Casino, or Resort in Las Vegas. Here, I'll show you the video. There I am. Hey, this is the bathroom. Check out how nice this is though. So you got, for the ladies, you got your makeup mirror. Check it out. The counter's really nice. Nice sink there. You got yourself a nice little carpet. The towels. This is sharp. This is really, really nice. So here's your toilet. So that's kind of interesting. It has its a separate door. So there you go. The shower, really nice shower actually. So it has a glass door. So it's a walk-in. That's huge. Like 10 people fit in there. Wow, that's a nice shower. Got a shower head. That thing's so tall that it's probably gonna feel like one of those like rainfall showers or waterfall showers, you know what I mean? It's really nice though. It even has like a little sitting thing. Wow, this is sharp. This is a really nice shower. Here you have your mini bar, which we all know is a don't touch area because you know they charge you for all this stuff and it's gonna be pricey. So keep your hands off of these unless you wanna pay. Your ice. Couple glasses there. Looks like you have a wine opener. That's actually cool. You'd be surprised at the hotel I work at how many people come down and have me open their wine bottle because they don't have it, you know. You have a desk area, which is really cool. Unfortunately I only brought a backpack, so I couldn't bring my laptop and all that. But yeah, that's a nice, really nice sized desk actually. That's a really nice desk. You have a TV there. Honestly, I don't know. That has to be at least a 65-inch TV, probably 70-inch. So that's really nice, actually. You have, here's like a little couch. It's pretty comfy, actually. So I got 2 queen beds. I have a buddy here with me, coworker. Here you have like the little area in between the beds. You have an alarm. Actually, that has a wireless charger on top, so that's actually really, really cool. You have a couple of USB plugins and you have an outlet right there. That's really helpful. You have outlets on both walls right by the bed, so that's perfect. There's plenty of lighting, as you can see from that switch right there. Again, you have more outlets right here. So both beds have plenty of outlets on each side of the bed on the wall and also in the middle here. So there's no basically shortages of charging areas. That's good. You have more outlets everywhere. That's good. And check out this view though. I am super happy with this view. I'm on the 18th floor. You can see everything from here. So we can see the Rio right there. You can see the Caesar's Palace just to the right over there. Yeah, like we said, the Rio. There's a Mirage. Mirage, I believe, was sold out, so is not owned by MGM anymore. It's actually owned by Hard Rock. So expect some changes to that. There's a lot of rumors that they're gonna build their giant guitar, and make it like an actual Hard Rock thing. Just on the other side of Rio, you can see Treasure Island over there. Behind that, you can see the Wynn. You can see the Palazzo, Encore. You can see Trump Tower. You can see Resort World, which is the tall red one on the other side of Trump Tower. You can see Stratosphere. That's that's the tall tower to the left over there. You can see some other ones to the right or to the left over there, but I believe we even see Circus from here. That's kind of cool. So yeah, Gold Coast down here at the bottom. That's kind of a more local friendly casino. But yeah, so this is really cool though. You can see the pool from here. So this is really well known for their pool area. So before the beer situation in 2020, basically they pumped a lot of money into the pool area. They had concerts here like every weekend with Marshmello and some really big names. Unfortunately in 2020 it took a big hit, but yeah, they have a really nice pool area. You can see that. You can see all those mini pools over there, the circle one in the middle, and then also on the other side there's more pools over there. So I don't know what the difference is. I'm planning on going tomorrow. There is still some thunder. There's still chances of shower later on. I believe there's like an 80% chance later on. So unfortunately we can't go to the pool today, but we are planning on going tomorrow for a while. So yeah, but really nice pool area. That's cool. I will definitely get some footage of it tomorrow. Here on this side, really not much to see on this side. It seems like more businesses, residential, stuff like that. But you can see the sign right there, Palms Casino Resort and Spa. Yeah, it's amazing. I did a quick walkthrough of the casino. Some casinos frown you filming in there just because they don't want, intrude on people's privacy. But I will get some more footage of the casino. It does look like a really nice casino. There's a buffet. I've seen some other bars there. Plenty of video poker, plenty of stuff like that. But yeah, wow, look at this. This is a beautiful view. And I'll go ahead and turn it around again and give you one more kind of a view of the room from this side of the room. But yeah, this is beautiful. You could tell it's newly remodeled. Everything in here has that new, fresh look to it. Everything, the paint, the walls, the furniture, everything here. Let me see. Oh yeah, that bed seems really comfortable too. This is gonna be cool. This is gonna be a fun couple of days here. So once again, the desk area. Here's the beds. Some of the art on the wall here in the middle. Yeah, this is sharp. This is beautiful. Once again, your little mini bar area. Again, keep your paws off those because they charge a lot of money for those unless you want to spend the money. And again, just this amazing bathroom. Guys, this is probably the nicest room I've stayed in a really long time. So this is sharp. Wow, I am so impressed here. This bathroom is beautiful. Really, really nice. So, all right, stay tuned. I will bring you more footage of everything. But yeah, this is great. But I'll get you hopefully some more footage of the casino in a bit. And thanks for watching. Yeah, this is great. I'm excited. Just stay tuned.